Okay, so you have identified the stop loss. Now what will be the entry point?
14953.
Right, but you have to take some buffer now. You can take some 10-point buffer, maybe 14940. You can take your entry point. And now, how to identify the target? See, this is my this is will be AM formation, right?
Hmm.
So my entry is here. This is my entry. This is my stop loss. And now, what will be my target?
The middle one.
Which middle one? Here.
Middle candle.
This candle.
Yes.
In price, what target you will keep it, because this candle is very long, right?
Mm-hmm.
So if the candle is very long, you can keep 50% of the candle as target, right?
Okay.
50% means till here.
Okay.
Half of the candle, half of the price. That I have explained you how to calculate 50% of the candle, right? High minus low divided by 2. Fine. So this is clear how to calculate the prices in a double top, right?
Okay.
Any doubt in this?
No.
Now we will see double bottom.
Hmm.
So here you can see W, right? You can see W here. So this is
Hmm.
a double bottom, right? So all the steps will be same as we have done in the previous one. The only thing is that it will be ulta. वहां पे ऊपर स्टॉप लॉस था, या नीचे स्टॉप लॉस हो जाएगा, वहां नीचे टारगेट था, यहाँ ऊपर टारगेट हो जाएगा, राइट?
Okay.
तो ये आप मेरे को कैलकुलेट करके बताइए। ये कैंडल्स हैं, सो इस कैंडल का हाई और लो नोट कर लीजिए।
Okay.
एक ये कैंडल है, लो और हाई नोट कर लीजिए इसका।
And 0.85. Okay. Done.
एक ये कैंडल है,
You're still. Okay. Done.
okay? Now tell the stop loss and the entry price, and this will be a buy trade, right?
Yes. Stop loss will be 10760
Right?
because it is the highest. Like.
नो, मैंने आपको बोला ना स्टेट में उल्टा होगा सारा। वहां पे हाई स्टॉप लॉस था, यहाँ पे लो स्टॉप लॉस होगा,
Okay.
क्योंकि ये उल्टा ट्रेड है, राइट? देखिए,
Hmm.
वो वाला क्या ट्रेड था हमारा? वो वाला था एम, ये हमारा डब्ल्यू है ना।
Hmm.
तो सारी चीजें उल्टी होंगी यहाँ पे। वहां पे हाई स्टॉप लॉस था, यहाँ पे लो, जो सबसे लो होगा वो स्टॉप लॉस होगा यहाँ पे, राइट? लो कितना है? वन
So
जीरो
106 नहीं 10583।
हाँ 10,583 लो है, तो स्टॉप लॉस थोड़ा सा बफर लेके आप 580 के आसपास रख सकते हैं स्टॉप लॉस, राइट।
हम्म
और एंट्री पॉइंट कहाँ पे होगा?
हम्म
जो भी लो कैंडल, जहाँ से जिस कैंडल आपने दो कैंडल्स लिए, राइट।
हम्म
दो कैंडल का लो जो भी था वो आपने स्टॉप लॉस लिया। अब दो कैंडल का जो भी हाई होगा वो आपका एंट्री प्राइस होगा, राइट।
ओके।
क्योंकि वहां पे लो था
सो
ना।
जो ओके
इसमें भी चार्ट आपको पड़ेगा लग रहा है, डब्ल्यू वगैरह।
so the highest will be the entry point and the lowest will be the stop loss।
हम्म।
ओके
ये ये टेबल नोट कर लिए, टेबल बता देता हूँ फिर आपको ध्यान रहेगा। ये टेबल बना लीजिए। ये डब्ल्यू पैटर्न है, ये एम पैटर्न है, ये स्टॉप लॉस है, ये एंट्री है। स्टॉप लॉस डब्ल्यू पैटर्न में लो रहेगा और हाई आपका इसमें रहेगा। और डब्ल्यू पैटर्न में एंट्री आपका हाई रहेगा और एम पैटर्न में एंट्री आपका लो प्राइस पे रहेगा।
ओके डन सर।
ओके, so
हम्म
stop loss is fine now and entry is also understood. What will be the target?
target will be the middle candle।
Which one? This is pattern. Which candle? Tell me.
The plus sign which has a plus sign, the hammer।
Okay, logically that is correct. But if you see the size of the candle, then you should keep this candle as your target.
Okay
Because I have told you now, the candle which is like this, that means that they have equal number of buyers and sellers, right? So logically, you were correct. But if you see the type of candle, so you have to set the targets based on this candle, not this candle, right?
okay
Because this candle shows you strength, right?
hmm
Because this candle has a strong body, and the body is of green color. Green color means buyers,
the
right?
so we'll take the highest or the lowest।
You can take any point. It depends on your psychology.
okay
Because see, I have told you now in the first class only. See, trading doesn't have any set of guidelines or anything like that. Whatever rules you set for yourself, you can follow it. So there are no fixed rules in trading, right? If you want, you can take this as a target price. If you want, you can take this as a target price, or if you want, you can take 50% also as a target price. It depends on you, right? देखिए, अगर टारगेट आप ऊपर वाला लेते हैं, ठीक है, इनकेस अगर आपने टारगेट ऊपर वाला लिया, पहले मैं कैंडल बड़ी कर देता हूँ। इनकेस आपने इस कैंडल का टारगेट ऊपर वाला लिया, ठीक है, देखिए अगर वहां तक मार्केट पहुंच गया, प्राइस पहुंच गया, तो आपको प्रॉफिट ज्यादा हो जाएगा। बट इन केस वहां तक नहीं पहुंचा, यहीं से वापस हो गया, तो आपका प्रॉफिट बुक नहीं होगा, राइट। So इसीलिए आपको कितना प्रॉफिट लेना है वो आपके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है, आपके माइंडसेट पे डिपेंड करता है, आपकी साइकोलॉजी पे डिपेंड करता है, व्हाट प्रॉफिट, हाउ मच प्रॉफिट यू वांट टू टेक ऑन अ सिंगल ट्रेड. So you can change your target price based on that, right? कुछ ट्रेडर्स तो यहाँ पे एंट्री करते हैं यही निकल जाते हैं, दे डोंट वेट, यहाँ तक नहीं वेट करेंगे वो लोग, यहाँ एंट्री लिए यहाँ निकल गए. So it depends on you totally how much profit you want to book. बट स्टॉप लॉस आपको लेके चलना पड़ेगा, स्टॉप लॉस आपको रखना पड़ेगा, ठीक है, बिकॉज यू हैव टू डू risk management and money management. So that is why stop loss is very important. And
Okay.
that is why for every trade, first we have to see the stop loss and then the target later. Fine, this is clear. Double top and
Yes.
double bottom.
Hmm.
Okay. Now we have a pattern called symmetrical triangle pattern, right?
Okay.
So how it looks like? So symmetrical triangle will look like this, right? So this is a breakout and breakdown zone. Breakout and breakdown zone, right? Here you can see this peak, right? This peak.
Hmm.
This is a breakout and breakdown zone. So this is the area wherein you have to take a trade. Whether you have to take a buy trade or sell trade, that depends on the pattern. But here you have to take the trade, right?
Okay.
I will see if any pattern is formed like that. See, for this, you have to join the candles. So you have to join the high of multiple candles and low of multiple candles, right? So how you have to do that? You have to do like this. One second. Fine. You have to use the tool. Here we have a tool called trend line. So you can use the trend line to draw it like this. Right? You can see the triangle
Yes.
like this.
Hmm.
If you join this also, then you will see this as a triangle, right?
Hmm.
So first you have to try to identify these patterns on the chart. Once you identify it, then you have to draw the trend lines to take the trade. And then once you have drawn the trend line, then here is the peak, right? Now you have to take the trade here. So how you have to take the trade? You have to take the trade on this candle, right?
Hmm.
This candle high and low, you have to take the trade. If it crosses the high, then you have to take a buy trade. If it crosses the low price, you have to take a sell trade. See,
Okay.
the thumb rule is that candle high and low, high and, one second. Okay. So the thumb rule is that for any candle, the high and low price. If the high price is broken, you have to take a buy trade. If it breaks the low price, then you have to take the sell trade. So this is a
Okay.
thumb rule for all the candles, for all the patterns, for all the indicators. This you have to remember it. Fine. So here also, once we have a symmetrical triangle pattern, then based on this candle, we will take a trade. So the high, if it crosses the high, then we will take a buy trade. If it crosses the low, then we will take a short trade. Right? So in this scenario, High was 11321. So
One one three two.
since it crossed the high here in this area, then we can take a trade in this area, right?
Okay.
And what should be my target? My target will be this this high price here, high price of this candle, which
Okay.
is 11694. So somewhere here it is. And what will be my stop loss? Stop loss will be the low of this candle.
Okay. 11090.
11090 is the low, and you can keep some buffer, maybe 10 or 15 points. That will be your stop loss.
Okay.
Any doubt in this?
No.
Okay. So I will give you one trade to do as a homework.
Hmm.
So do you get time to see the charts, or you are busy full
Yes.
day?
I'll see it in the evening, like 9 or 10.
Because morning time you will have classes, right? Your college classes.
Yes, actually, I have practicals and assignments also going on.
Okay, okay, fine.
I'll do it at night, 9 or 10.
Yeah. So see, because if you do it, then it will be easy for you only to understand. You can give time, maybe evening or night, whenever you have time, you can give it. At least 1 hour you can spend.
Yes, sir.
Because if you don't practice and watch it, then it will be of no use. You will just get a certificate and that you will submit in the school. That's it. Fine. One second, let me find some pattern of symmetrical triangle. So after college, what are your plans? You want to do some job or you want to do trading? What is your plan?
I'll continue trading.
Okay.
If it's possible, I'll continue it.
So in your family, they are like job persons or they do business or they do trading. What is that?
My father does business, has business. I mean.
So you can do business also, right? Then
Hmm.
okay, you have options. This we have done, right? This we have done double top, right? This we have already discussed now. So discussed. Okay, fine. This, see, this is a small one, but you can use it actually.
Okay.
Fine. So you can note down the high and low prices, and then later you can.
Okay, done.
Okay. and high and low of this candle. So this is symmetrical triangle. You can use these points to take the entry, stop loss and targets, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then we will talk about it in the next class, right? So we have mostly, I think, one or two theoretical classes remaining. After that, we have to do the practical thing. So I
Okay.
think two or three patterns are remaining. Yeah, I think maximum two classes. Right? So after that, one or two classes we will spend on practical thing. Once you have your account open, then we can try to do
I'll
some.
do it. So it will be in 2 or 3 days. It will be like
You can
done.
do, see, I have shared you that link, right? You can use that link to use it. They will ask you your name, PAN card, and whatever details they will ask, you just fill it. And then they will ask your bank account details, right? So whatever bank account details, like you mentioned, Bank of Baroda, right? You can use that
Hmm.
to open it. If you have any doubt, you
Okay.
can just send me message on WhatsApp. I will help you. Fine. Okay.
Okay.
And tomorrow, what time you will have class? Tomorrow evening, it's not possible. So in the first half, we can do,
Mm,
or you
okay.
have, or you are busy in college, something like that.
No, I'll manage it.
Sorry.
I'll manage it.
Okay. So
Mm.
I will text you timings. What time you will be free? 12 o'clock or what time?
I'll be returning from the college, I think 12:30 or something.
Okay. Then what about 4 p.m. in the evening? 4 p.m. is it possible?
Yes, it's possible.
Fine. Then 4 p.m. we will do, right?
Okay, done.
Okay. Fine. Thank you. Bye.